Hi everybody, it's your boy King Viber, and today I'm going to be letting you know exactly why I traded in my C6 manual drop top Corvette for a 2018 Model 3. And no worries, I'm not going all full electric. Oh, the world needs electric. And this video is not going to be about politics whatsoever. I do believe it's important to talk about politics and religion freely, especially since the best way to conquer is to divide. We're not going to be going all into that, but hey, healthy conversation if you want to talk about in the comments. If you want to talk about how big of a piece of shit I am for buying a Tesla, or how I betrayed the car community from going away from a manual V8 to a full electric vehicle, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly why I got the Model 3, the perks, the negatives, my future plans, and then also just take you a little bit of a sneak peek into the life of me and my Tesla Model 3. Her name is Stella, so let's go check out Stella. I'm not sure if you can hear me. Somebody's fixing up the yard, but this is Stella, my 2018 Model 3. Acceleration boost, white interior, stealth gray. I put a little body kit on it, and I'm not finished with it yet. I'm still waiting for a rear diffuser to come in. Yeah, man, super sick. She needs a car wash though, so. Woo! It's hot outside, guys. It's 99 degrees. It's not bad actually, not for Las Vegas. But yeah, still needs a wash. What do you think? White interior, super nice. Stop hating. I can already see the comments. It's beautiful. And yes, I'm wearing glasses. First video I wasn't. I was catfishing a little bit. I think I look better without my glasses, but while I'm driving, if my camera doesn't go crazy, I guess I can start why I even got rid of the Corvette at first. So I do plan on getting another Corvette or another manual car for the channel, mainly being our project car, especially since this is one of the most reliable vehicles you could buy, on par with Toyota. Oh, what about the battery? The $15,000 battery. Oh no, the battery though. Guys, first of all, that battery has a 120,000 mile warranty. My Corvette was 120,000 miles when I traded in. Yeah, it's expensive, the battery, but it's 120,000 miles, and then other than that, like, I'm probably gonna trade in the car or get something else beforehand. Like, the amount of gas, the amount of oil changes, the amount of other things like spark plugs and brake pads and tires that you normally put on a car for 120,000 miles. I'm not sure if it adds up to 15,000, but if you do all that accumulated, then it's not too far off. Super reliable car. Brakes you would hardly change, especially since the vehicle slows down pretty much on its own after you let off the accelerator. Tires might be the only thing, just because we like to go fast, right? I'm gonna go fast here in a bit, but we'll see. And then obviously no oil changes. Every transmission, in a sense, needs transmission fluid. For these vehicles, I'm not sure exactly what it needs. I have to do a little bit more research. But I'm sure there's fluids I would have to change. You know what I mean? There are moving parts still. But people don't do that until, like, depending on what vehicle, 60K plus, what the hell is going on? No one knows how to drive, look at this. Miles, or like 100 plus, you know what I'm saying? So that's one reason why I got this vehicle. The other reason why on my Corvette, it was giving me so much problems. The LS engine is amazing, do not get me wrong. But it was giving me so much problems across the line of, I broke my, I don't know how I popped it. I popped my e-brake, so that wasn't working. Catless converters are messing up, or my O2 sensors. So I could have went catless. I could have done the whole thing as well. At the same time, it was eating me in gas. Like I said, I'm over here in Las Vegas. We're so close to California. So different from Texas. Gas was killing me as well. I was trying to find a job. Looking for a job. I drove my Corvette all the way over here, 14 hours straight. She was a beauty. She lasted me. I need new tires on her. I need to do tons of things for that 120,000 mile Corvette, which I had so much fun. I slid around in it, purposefully, you know, drifting and just having that full control, you're gonna think I'm fucking crazy. But a Tesla is closer to a manual car than an automatic car. And you think I'm tripping. I'm not saying they're the same, but they're extremely close. And I'll get to that in a second. But just mainly reasons why I just couldn't afford my Corvette anymore. And I probably could, but it was taken away from me enjoying other things in life. Like I could have fixed it up, took my time, kind of like what I'm gonna be doing with a project car, and even with this car in a sense. But I couldn't enjoy it because I had to fix before modding, right? People do that opposite, but no, I'm not gonna be a dumbass and do that. I'm gonna fix before I actually upgrade, in a sense. And at times, sometimes you can do both, right? Win-win situation. But also for me, it was just, I'd rather go spend time with family, with friends. I'd rather have money to say, fuck it, I want different clothes, I want a chain, I want some shoes, especially since I was wearing clothes that were from years, guys. I did not come from money. That's one thing, I did not come from money. I grew up in West Texas on the east side, which was the ghetto. We didn't have shit. I didn't have shit. Everything that I have, I created it. I have it. And even then, I'm still not, like, this is 2018, guys. It's not a 2024, you know? Another reason, because this is extremely affordable because of that. I mean, these vehicles are going in the mid, high to low, depending on how much with miles, what's wrong with it, 20,000s. Like, that's affordable. That is super affordable for something that's super reliable, and it's fast. It's just as fast, if not a little faster than my Corvette. I guarantee you, if I put some really sticky tires on this, it would be faster than my Corvette was. With me, with me shifting perfectly. My interior is super elegant. 4 doors. I got a lot of seats. I can, woo, I caught you. I caught y'all. That torque, I wasn't even going that fast. Multiple seats. I can take family, I can take friends, I can travel, I have freedom. So this is definitely gonna be my daily that I can modify to an extent, because I'm not gonna be doing anything that's crazy to it, right? Once we get our project car, I'm excited. I'm excited for the project car. Y'all let me know what kind of project car y'all want me to get, but I got some ideas. Because I had Japanese cars, I have American cars, I had Korean cars. Now I'm thinking about going, you know, more European, but we'll see. We'll see what that entails. I mean, look at this thing. It's a beautiful car. If you don't think it's a beautiful car, then you're just hating it for no reason, because these things are beautiful. I mean, the technology alone, even for 2018, you cannot beat it. You cannot beat the technology. Now, other things I'm sure you can, like sportiness, all that good stuff, I'm sure you can beat it. But technology-wise, doing what I want it to do-wise, it's amazing. I wake up, the car is already at its temperature. The car technically never turns off. It sleeps, like connects Bluetooth, has navigation. It can drive itself if I wanted to. I can watch Netflix, all that good stuff. And you know, a lot of people think, oh, the charging. Well, as you can tell, I live in apartments. I don't live in a house, so or condos. So if you want to know how the charging is, that could be for another video. But this thing's amazing. Like, I put a little body kit, looks super aggressive. A lot of people have Teslas, so I want to make it look different. My plans for it is to make it look insane. But before I get into that, the reason why this thing is closer to a manual car than an automatic car would be, look at this. It's a Sport with a Type R spoiler on it. I'm not gonna do all that, guys. I ain't gonna do all that, but shout out to homeboy though. Do what you want. It's your car, your money. First of all, you can't switch gears. Like, you can't switch. It's all linear, which is amazing. But you can't downshift. You can't go. But you kind of can. You can mess with the acceleration. So as you know, for these vehicles, acceleration is like this. So when you're manually, you know, when you're downshifting, your RPMs jump. So then you have that almost instant, right? With these things, when you let off the accelerator, it slows down. So you can almost time it in a sense of when you let off the clutch in a manual vehicle, you know, put it in neutral or you're about to shift, it slows down. Versus An automatic car, you let go, yeah, it slows down, but at one point it will always keep going. Like if you're at a standstill at a red light, let off everything, on an automatic car, it's gonna keep going. Me, my feet aren't touching anything right now. It's almost like it's in park, and I don't have to press the brake or nothing like that. Super smooth. Put the accelerator, and I go forward a little bit. So in that sense of like control, you kind of have it. Now, I'm not saying it's the same. I'm not saying it's the same, everybody. I'm not making excuses. And also, I'm not sure why I'm going to Dutch Bros when I need to be going that way. So I gotta bust. I gotta make a U-turn. So, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of acceleration while I do it too. Oh fucking hell! Yo, that stuff does not get old, bro. That stuff does not get old at all. I can beat this Civic for sure. Have more control than what you think you do. So that's one thing. Another thing is that it's quick. Like I said, it's fast. Like kind of like my Corvette. I enjoy it. Futuristic, minimalistic. I kind of like knobs. I kind of like minimalistic feel. But the plans I got for this vehicle, I mean, it's on a whole nother level. But yeah, that's a couple of reasons why. I'm sure there's more reasons, but I mean, I'm driving. I can't really think right now, and I'm not even sure if the video's recording. So, but yeah, I mean, let's get Stella car wash so you can see how beautiful she really is. Because these cars are slept on. These vehicles, kind of like BMW, the community behind them is toxic. You know how BMW like, oh, turn signals or yada yada, or you know, they're what's it called when they're like full of themselves. Tesla community is very similar. I don't like that. Me coming from Corvette community, it's similar-ish as well, but they're more car guys. But then me also coming from the WRX community, which is pure car guys. Like, they're super cool. Say what you want about the Subaru community, but that's, you know, they're more like a community you want to be a part of in a sense, right? For Tesla, it's almost like Elon and, oh, let me flex. It's nothing, or, oh, like, look at me, I'm saving the world. Like, it's almost all about yourself. For most, I would say, or stereotypical, not most, stereotypical Tesla people. That's what you would think, right? Now, obviously, not everybody's like that. I mean, I'm not like that. In the beginning of the video, I literally told you, like, I'm not going to get into politics, nothing like that. And I'm still not. Don't not get me wrong, I'm still not. I'm just giving you the stereotypes of Tesla. You know, Tesla drivers, people that, you know, people drive crazy in Teslas, you know. Most of the time, Teslas are going to be mainly in the West Coast. So, West Coast drivers already, sorry guys. California, Las Vegas drivers, y'all are kind of crazy. Like, yeah, Texas, we speed, but we don't drive crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just saying, guys. And I know not everybody's like that, but it's just something that goes into the stereotype. I feel like people that see a Tesla, like, oh, and they just want to hate instantly. Like, they don't know who you are. Like, they never met me. They never shook my hand. I never came out to them like, oh, how you doing today, sir? How you doing today, ma'am? You doing good? Awesome. Like, yeah, how can I help you? Or like, hey, how was your day? Or they don't come up to me and see that side. They see me in the car and they're like, Now, it's weird, but putting on my body kit, kind of going towards the car enthusiast side of things, instead of looking like every other Tesla, it kind of puts me down a notch into that douchebaggy era, I would say. Or douchebaggy, like, whatever it may be. Kind of. It's kind of weird, but, like, kind of. Just because they're like, oh, okay, maybe that's a young person, that's a cool person, or I don't know. I feel like that's what they think, but I'm sure y'all would let me know in the comments. But yeah, so we're always about to get Stella a wash. And no, I'm not gonna give her a wash looking like this, guys. We're going to a touchless wash. If you have a Tesla, do not go through a regular car wash, please. If you have any car, I'm not trying to put anybody out of business, but don't go through a regular car wash if you care about the looks of your vehicle and your paints. Okay guys, so now I'm going to the car wash. You hear my squeaking? I think I might need new brakes, if I'm being honest. Stop. Okay, but not only place car in park. Another thing, if you have a Tesla, make sure you do this before the car wash starts. Put in car wash mode. I talked about this briefly in the first video. But if you don't, not only is your car going to stink. Look at this panoramic roof, by the way. Oh, I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I'm covering up the audio, but panoramic roof. The front, like over here by the hood. You know how there's like that, I don't know, gutter, I guess, for water to go down. But with Tesla, it's a bit different because water can actually go into the vents, which no, they're not right here. They're right here. So I had to switch them. And it makes it smell like mildew. So when you do this, it closes everything down. So charge port, doors, this stuff, but it does more than that. It closes everything. So yeah, I can also fold my mirrors if I wanted to. Right, so say hi to Samuel, guys, the sheep. All right, Stella just got her car wash. What do y'all think? Stella just got her wash. She's looking beauty. No worries, I'm gonna lower her too. That's another plan for the channel. If y'all have any more ideas, just let me know. Front splitter looking insane. I don't know what this is about. Comes off though, so oh yeah, I can even see what I'm doing. There you go. Looks insane, right? Sheesh. Side skirts looking good, but it's looking so empty without a rear diffuser. Spoiler, classic spoiler. If y'all want me to transition to a duck build, let me know. I was thinking about it, but I couldn't wait. If I'm being honest, I just had to get a spoiler. She looking slick. Oh, and another thing, come on guys, look at this. Single piece, damn near. It's not, but it almost looks like one. I mean, that's a beautiful. I'm gonna tint the front windshield, either eyebrow or the entire thing. But I mean, she looks amazing. You cannot lie. Come on. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but the color just, I mean, that midnight silver is just insane, guys. Are y'all seeing this? A lot of people delete the chrome, and I'm not a huge fan of the chrome, but for this thing, it just looks insane. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that color on her. Should I paint match this? Should I paint match that? Should I paint match my front bumper as well? I mean, my front splitter. If I do, I almost want to paint match partial. So I almost want to paint match maybe everything up here, and then maybe leave this black, or vice versa. I paint match this, have this be black, and then the rest up here be paint matched. Let me know. Let me know some color combinations. Come on, guys. It ain't clean in here, but Aero, come on. Don't play with me. Somebody said, oh, it's not Aero. It's Aero enough. It's Aero enough. Hey guys, I made it home. Thank God. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video of me and Stella going on our little adventure, feel free to like the video, subscribe, put on the bells if you turn on your notifications if you want to keep watching us, because I'm going to keep on making it whether you want me to or not. So yeah, just let me know what y'all think. More ideas in the comments what I should do to the Tesla. Oh yeah, and for the ones that are legally able to drink, take a shot every time I said because I said so many times in that video. And also, ready for this? Panoramic. Panoramic. I can say panoramic. I don't know why I couldn't say panoramic. All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.